Hello traders, welcome to another session of astrology, financial and technical analysis. Today is 2nd of March 2021 and still market is running. It's now about 12:37. If I look at the increase in price and increase in open interest, I find a very interesting script today, BPCL. BPCL last price is 473. Price change is approximately 3.41% by now. That is, it has increased to 15.60. High and low is 484 and low is 468. So average price comes to 476. Open interest has increased to 14.56%. Increases percent, and the volume has increased to 142.60%. That means something important is happening in BPCL on a longer side. So let's go to the charts of BPCL and try to understand what's happening. In the weekly chart, what I found is that approximately in 2013 it made a low of 90, and when we reach approximately in 2017 it made a high of 550 something, and then it fall again, rise again and fall again. So these two levels of 547 has become very important for BPCL, and after corona times then it rise again and now still rising, taking the support of this trend line. So this is another resistance line for BPCL, and now soon in approximately month of April we are going to come to this pullover zone. So it is on a very important side. The first resistance we would be facing at 485, exactly where it is. So it will be resisting the weekly double top pattern, and once it significantly break this pattern, goes above, the next level technically comes to 546 and above. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जरूर होना चाहिए. I have very strong reasons for this. Technically, we can see the DMI now has started rising. It is approximately 14.83 in weekly charts, and minus DMI has started crossingly, and RSI is also very bullish. When I am analyzing this on a weekly chart, it is 66.98. So technically it seems to be on a very stronger rising trend, on a bullish trend. Now let me take you to ticker tape. Here what I found is it is also analyzed by 35 analysts, and 97% of the analysts, they says a recommendation to buy. They have a higher return expectation of price forecast. For the next year of March 22, they are expecting it to rise to 567. That is, they are expecting a 25% rise within a span of 1 year, which is on a very good side. And EPS, what they are forecasting is on a higher side is 37.80. That is positive 143.5%, 143.35%. So which is on a very good scale. I also would like to see the comparison between the peers. The peer group's main competitor is Reliance Industries, but Reliance Industries is also into other sectors also. And the main thing is the PB ratio of Reliance, which is 2.92, is just in the vicinity of BPCL, 2.32. Profit equity ratio of Reliance is 33 and BPCL is 29.3. Looking at these two things, BPL seems to be much stronger in this sector of refining and marketing of oil and gas. In the last, I would like to take you to the astrological chart of BPCL. In the corona times, it comes down to the level of approximately 250. So that simply means it was near 250 is near to the Jupiter price. And what is Jupiter doing now for this script is Jupiter within a 1 year is going to meet Neptune. So when Jupiter would be going to meet Neptune and the prices we assume to high, these are some of the levels which we are looking for. Currently, we are in the range of 465 above. We can keep it on a lower side of 428 maximum, and we can target for 500 and 537, near 537 and much above 573. So I am very positive when it would be crossing the level of 500, certainly it will reach to the level of 542 and 572 in the coming near future, when Jupiter would be connecting to Neptune. So astrologically, technically and fundamentally, this script seems to be on a very good side, on a higher side. Do your own researches, read my disclaimer below, and just subscribe, like, comment to my channel, and also let me know what kind of more information you would like to have from this channel. Thank you.